Hello everyone, I hope you are all fine. When I wake up in the morning, today 7:30, and I try to log in my Facebook account and Messenger account, but when I every time try, they are not loading, they are not logging because they are always loading and loading. Just check this. You can see there is loading and loading, and also Facebook account there are many comment you can not see the comment because an error exceptional error because Facebook server are down, Messenger server down, and everything that are connected organization like WhatsApp, Instagram, everything are down right now. So if you are trying to log in and something error happen in your account, don't get nervous because it is Facebook problem. Whenever the Facebook is solved the problem, you can log in back to your account and you can send or message or anything you can want. So this is not an worry of your account. Your account is safe. It is just an server down from Facebook. So I hope you all get it. I can also show you the Facebook thing. Sometimes it won't work, and every time I see this because I see an unexpected error has occurs. I have Wi-Fi also. See that is connected. I have internet. So this, and I see this in every time. They are not refreshed yet. See they are loading and loading. So this is a small issue from Facebook. I hope they all find it and recently they are trying to solve it. So that is not an error from your account. It is a problem from Facebook and their server down. So I hope you all get it. So that's all from me today. Thank you and subscribe my channel to see the latest update anything.